Man, you never know the energy that's in the city or that you're dealing with. Weirdo ass energy, weird ass energy, right? It smell like something burning down. Nah. But I just got into it with my mom. Petty shit is always petty shit. But I'm walking to a friend of mine's house and I hear the police sirens like crazy. So I probably need to check the moon energy, see what's going on before I end up in a bad situation. For real. I'm cold. What up, Chris? You see me? Chris. I ain't want to startle you. I was trying to get your attention before I came in the gate. Where's she at?
She said she coming.
Alright.